Priority software platform allow you to control cash management and settlements. In the financial module, there is a sub-module for cash management that goes with a lot of options to control the cash management, including reports in the system. And on top of that, you can control and create intercompany transactions. At the chart of accounts of each individual company, you can set up target accounts, which mean that in this case, a debit in company A will create a credit in company B. And the way to do it is to define those transfer accounts within the system and then set up automations for cash management and intercompany transactions. Most of the reports in Priority Software will allow you to see a consolidated report. Therefore, the intercompany transactions are very important. Take, for example, at the reporting area under the financial module, each and every financial statement will allow you a consolidated balance sheet, for example, or P&L or trial balance, including some cash flow reports, and you can control which companies that are on the multi-company deployment will be part of those reports in the system. You can select the companies that will be participating in those reports by going to the file and then define the multiple companies set up in the system. Priority software comes with a full vendor and supplier control. Under the purchasing module, you can control the vendors, the purchase orders and approval process, the price lists, and restrictions and workflows for those vendors that are in the system. Priority can also integrate with different software, including sam.gov and using API with any other software that supports API on the other side as well. In Priority, there is an advanced approval mechanism, and you can use it under the purchase orders. So you can create different paths of approvals in each purchase order. Under the authorization and follow-up, there is a list code that can be assigned, and over here there is a way to control different areas and different codes for authorization, and then who are the users that need to sign, including alternate user. That will automatically notify the next user or supervisor to sign and authorize the PO. Since Priority is using API, a lot of portals can be customized and created based on the needs. In this example, here is a vendor portal that was created where a vendor can log in, see the purchase orders, approve purchase orders, or you can customize and create different functionality, which is very easy to use via our API's connectivity. Each and every transaction from those vendor portals, or in this example, can be linked, of course, directly to Priority, which means that each purchase order that a vendor will acknowledge or load in some information can update automatically the Priority relevant forms, project forms, milestone, or other forms and fields that are connected to a purchase order and to a vendor. The vendors and suppliers purchasing module has a lot of other capabilities. So we have the vendors, we have group of vendors, we have the orders mechanism, we have requests for price quotations, recording those price quotation in the system, price list, forecasts, requisitions that can be used also internally for demands and used by buyers for internal use, of course, under the budget control and the interfaces with the projects that we have in the system. The purchasing mechanism will come, of course, with a lot of reports that are available for you within the different modules and under the executive reports area where we have dashboards available for any area and any module of the system, including purchasing, where a vendor dashboard is available, manager dashboard, and other dashboards are available for user based on privileges, of course.